Hey everybody, Mr. Lambert here, coming at you with a little reminder that today you're going to be taking your first set of 8-step assessments. So for those of you who don't know, 8-step is a process that we use here at ACS. It allows us to see what you know about a given subject or skill. It allows us to see what we need to teach differently as teachers, and it allows us to get you into groups to get help for those of you who are still struggling with a specific skill. We do that by starting at the very beginning. We actually, if you didn't know, we actually pre-test you, sometimes secretly, but we pre-test you. We design instruction based on what you guys already know and what we know that you need to know. And this process goes all the way through to us testing you at this point, and then we will actually go and put you into groups where you can work on the next set of skills, something on a little bit higher level if you have mastered the skill, or take some time to go back and spend some time remastering a skill together if we still need work in a certain area. All that ends up with us retesting you again at the end just to see how that process has worked through and how you've grown. So this will be your first 8-step assessment of the year. And I want to show you guys how to get there. If you didn't know, 8-step is going to happen in every 3 weeks throughout the year. That's how long the cycles last. We have 3 weeks where we go through, we teach a specific set of subjects or skills that you need to be able to master. And then we test and see how you do with those. So the first thing you need to do in order to take your 8-step test, you're going to need to have accepted the 8-step course for this year. You should have received a little green indicator at the top of your screen. It would say something like ours is Team A 8-step assessments. So that's going to be what you're looking for. You'll have a little green button up here at the top when you log into Canvas. It says, do you accept this course? Please hit accept. If you saw that and didn't know what to do with it and hit decline or no, I will not accept this course, please let your teacher know right away so that we can work with our data coach to get you back into that course so you can take your tests. All right, so once you have accepted that course, you're going to see this on your screen. Again, my Canvas screen looks a little bit different than yours, but you should see this 8-step course right here, and yours should look exactly like mine. It should say Team A 6th 8-step. So we're going to click on that guy in order to get here to go. Now, you're not just going to have 8-step assessments in science or math. You're actually going to have them in language arts as well. So you'll have a language arts assessment on main idea as well as context clues. So that will be your first 2 up here. The one we're looking for today in math will be the one that says 6.1.c. When you click on this, mine's going to take me to a preview page because I'm a teacher, but yours is going to take you to the assessment. It's going to ask you if you want to start. When you hit yes, I want to start, it's going to take you through to that assessment. The assessments are only 4 questions, so they're very quick. You just need to do the best you can on them. Please don't cheat. We need to know what you know, and we need to know how we've taught. If there are problems with either of those things, we need to know so that we can work towards fixing them. So please do your best, but do your best. Don't have anybody help you on these. We just need to know what you know. All right, you're going to go through, you're going to finish that. When you're done, please make sure you hit the submit button. When you're done with that, that's all you need to do. Again, for math today, we're going to be dealing with 6.c.1. Again, that is being able to fluently divide multi-digit divisors using the traditional algorithmic approach. If you still have questions on how to do that, watch the video below as a little reminder of how to go about working through a long division problem. You can work that one along with me. And then when you're done and you feel ready to go ahead and take the quiz and get started on your first 8-step assessment. Thanks.